Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at a super cool feature in the Onimator. It's our brand new posting feature, and it's perfect for users who want to schedule posts using real phones. All right, so let's dive into the posting feature and see what it's all about and what we can actually do with it. But hey, before we jump in, we do recommend that you enable gesture mode on your phone. It'll help you hide those pesky navigation bars. So let's go ahead and enable that from the phone settings right now. Okay, cool. We're all set. Done. Now, also, if your phone has the edge panel enabled, yeah, you're going to want to turn that off too. It can kind of get in the way. So let's make sure that's disabled. All right, now we're good to go. Okay. So now let's head over to the post feature in the software. This is where all the magic happens with this feature. You can post reels, wall posts, or stories, whatever works for you. Now, if you want to add a post, the first thing you need to do is click on this button right here, Add Schedule Post. So once you've clicked on Add Schedule Post, you'll need to add some media, right? To do that, just click Add Post Media and select the media file you want to schedule. This could be a picture, a video, anything you want to share with your audience. After you've selected your media file, you can go ahead and add a caption. So, if you've got something catchy or cool to say with your post, this is where it goes. Just type it in right here. Then you'll want to select the type of post. You can choose between a reel, a wall post, or a story. So after you've got your media and caption ready, you might want to add a location to your post, right? If you're tagging a place, just click here where it says add location. And let's say you want to tag Madrid, Spain. You type that in. Easy, huh? Now let's talk about the date. You'll need to choose when you want this post to go live. It can't be today's date unless you've got some time left in the day. Otherwise, it's got to be sometime in the future. And when it comes to the time, make sure you don't pick the exact current time, okay? The bot needs at least a 5-minute head start, so always schedule it for a few minutes ahead. All right, now that everything's set up, media, caption, location, time, you're ready to save it. All you got to do is hit save scheduled post, and boom, your post is ready to go. Oh, and here's a cool tip. You're not limited to just one post. You can add as many posts as you want. Just keep adding and the bot will take care of the rest. Now, once you've saved everything, it's time to start the bot. There's a little toggle button. Just flip that. After that, you need to have the device started. We'll go and start the device. All right, now we've started the device. We will wait for it to start the posting. It will start doing other actions if you have any other tools running. And as you can see, the posting process is starting now at 0:06 a.m. as we scheduled on the post feature. The bot uploads the media and selects it, add caption, select the location, and runs the posting like a charm, and that's it. Your post is now published successfully, as you can see here. That's all. Thanks for sticking around through the tutorial. If you need any more tips or have questions, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.